So welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to change Sophos Tamper Protection passwords. So please follow my all steps and you will successfully change your Sophos Tamper Protection password of your any endpoint client. So first you need to log in your Sophos Central account. After that, select your products. I have a endpoint protection, so I need to click on endpoint. Then after you need to go in the computer sections. You can see list of your computer, but in my list only one computers. So after that you need to click on demo PC once. This is my system's name, and after that you can see there is a temper protection options. If you scroll down, if you click on here, you can see your temper protection passwords. This case is very useful if any users are running on outside networks and it is required is system not getting updates, so you can give these passwords. After that, if his work is completed, then you need to just generate a new password, because of when his system connect to internet, then automatically his password will change and old password will be automatically removed. This in this case you can use these options. So you need to click on generate a new passwords. My old password is this, so I need to copy so that we can check. You can see my old password, and after generated new password it will look like this, and you can see previous temper protection is this and expire in few seconds. Okay, so this is options when any of clients are not getting internet and you need to perform system format, or you need to perform any data copy from machines, then you can use these options. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet in next upcoming video sessions. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.